How's it going, everybody? Mike from Das Trucks here with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our current and active inventory, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hit that like button if you like what you're seeing. Today's truck is the 2015 Ford F-750. It's got 195,835 miles. It's been inspected and serviced. All the filters and oils are all new. The fluids have been changed as well. Repainted the wheels here. Tires are brand new. Repainted the steps and the fuel tank. Now under here, we've repainted the chassis with anti-rust chassis saver paint. This is to keep the chassis preserved, keep any old rust from getting worse and any new rust from forming. Now, this box has also been repainted. It's a really nice looking box. Give you a angle this way. Coming back here, this truck does have a ramp. See that right there? Going around here. Showing y'all under here now. A lift gate installation is possible. Please call us for pricing. These wheels back here, passenger side. This one's got leaf suspension. This front bumper here has also been repainted. Checking out the interior. This truck's interior is in great condition. No rips or tears on the vinyl seats here. Heading on in. Very nice. Let's start her up. Brings out mileage for you. 195,836. Let's check out the engine. The engine is a 6.7 liter Cummins ISB engine. Healthy. Good looking as well. Now these engines can last to up to 800,000 miles with good care. Guys an underview. Alrighty, and that'll wrap it up for today's 2015 Ford F-750. If you are interested in finding out a little bit more information about this truck, our phone number and website will be in the description below. As always, thank you all for watching and have a good day.